In the previous class, I taught you about human body, the circulatory system. We discussed about the organ system. Circulatory system, the main parts of the circulatory system, heart, blood. Till here we discussed the function of the heart, the structure of the heart, blood, types of blood. In this class, I am going to teach you about blood vessels. So what are actually blood vessels? Blood flows through a network of tubes and channels in our body. They are known as blood vessels. But the definition you see here, it is the channel-like system by which both pure and impure blood are distributed throughout the body. Now, how is it distributed throughout the body? With the help of arteries, veins and capillaries. Now I am going to explain you about arteries. What are arteries? Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different body parts, except the lung artery. You have to keep in mind that is also known as the pulmonary artery. One very important thing you should know about artery is that they have thick elastic walls. They have thick elastic walls with narrow lumen. Now here when I will draw a diagram, I shall explain you about that. Okay? Then we will come to veins. Now I shall explain you about veins. What are veins? Veins, veins carry oxygen deficit blood. Oxygen deficit blood means impure blood from different body parts to the heart, except the lung vein. The lung vein is also known as the pulmonary vein, which carries pure blood. Okay? Now you see here, they have thin walls. Veins, they have thin walls with broad lumen. See, here we can differentiate between arteries and veins. This I will explain you with the help of diagram. Okay, now we will come to capillary. One more thing I will explain you about artery and veins are that valves are absent in arteries and valves are present in veins. Now, what actually valves are? They are muscular wall-like structures that separate auricles from ventricles. This I will explain you in the process of circulation. Now I am going to explain you about capillaries. Now capillary from the arteries, many branches come out. From where the branches come out, that point is known as junction. Capillaries are extremely thin walled. They help to carry blood to every cell of the body in order to supply it with oxygen and nutrients. You see the definition here I have written. Capillary is the junction between artery and veins by which blood is distributed through branches of arteries and veins. Now I shall explain you with the help of this artery and veins with the help of this diagrams. You please see here the structure of artery here. You see the walls of the arteries, they have thick elastic walls. These are the walls. These are the walls. They have thick elastic walls, but you see here this one is the narrow lumen. This is narrow. Whereas in the structure of vein you see they have thin walls. These are the walls. 1, 2, 3. These are the walls. Whereas the lumen is broad here. Now you can easily differentiate between arteries and veins. Arteries carry pure blood from the heart to the rest of the body except the lung artery. Veins carry impure blood from the body to the heart except the lung vein. They have thick walls with narrow lumen, whereas veins have thin walls with broad lumen. Valves are absent in arteries. Valves are present in veins. See students, there are 4 statements given here. write T for true and F for false statements. But if the statements are false, you are going to correct it. So here you see number 1. There are 2 types of blood vessels, arteries and veins. Is it true or false? It is false, because there are 3 kinds of blood vessels. You will correct that statement and you will write there are 3 types of blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. Next number 2, veins carry pure blood. It's wrong. Veins carry impure blood. Number 3 is valves are absent in arteries. It's true. Valves are absent in arteries. Number 4, veins have thinner walls than arteries. This statement is also true. Okay, students. Today we discussed about blood vessels, arteries, veins and capillaries. In the next class I gave you some question answers in the 10. I shall discuss about that. Thank you.